How to fix Paramount Plus if you encounter an error. Hi guys, in this video we'll teach you how you fix if you have streaming issues on your device. So all you have to do is, first here is that there is definitely steps. First thing that you need to do is to check your browser. Check if you have disabled a blocker and check if you have turned off your tracking protection. If you're using your web browser, first thing that you can do is that you need to disable an ad blocker and ensure that your browsers are up to date by checking whatsmybrowser.com. And then you can also check with Paramount Plus. If you have issues, you actually need to use desktop browsers that Paramount Plus is capable of using, or it's supported by Paramount Plus. So those are the list. You can actually click on these hyperlinks right here. And another option here is you can actually make sure that you clear your cache cookies. Simply go to your history and then clear on your browsing data. From here, you need to make sure that these three options are currently checked and make sure the time range should be all time, and then after that you can click on clear data. Once you click on clear data, you can go ahead and refresh your browser just by clicking the reload button right here, and then you will be able to see that Paramount Plus is already ready for you to stream. So make sure you try different browsers as well. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. So here are a lot of informations as well. You need to disable ad blockers, turn off tracking protection. You also have informations on how you'll be able to fix the issues with your connected device or your mobile devices. All you have to do is simply go to Paramount Help Center, and then you will be able to get more details depending on what device you're using to access this platform. That's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!